In this video, we're going to go through how to bulk upload members to a Be Engaged group. After logging into Be Engaged, you'll go to your group and then head to the left-hand menu where you'll click the Upload Members tab under the Members section. You'll see a list of instructions in front of you walking you through how to bulk upload a list of members to Be Engaged, which is what we're walking through right now. To get started, select the blue Excel spreadsheet link on the screen entitled CG Members in front of you. The Excel file should download immediately to your computer. Click on the file to open it, and you'll see a bunch of colored columns in front of you. While there are a few different colors there, you really only have to worry about the orangey yellowy columns labeled Email, Member, and Officer. Those are the mandatory ones. You'll also see there is an example entry for a fake user named John Doe in the first row. Delete all that information in the first row before you do anything else. After that, you'll paste into the email column of the spreadsheet the list of your members' emails, which should be only Binghamton email addresses. The information you'll need to paste into the member and officer columns of the spreadsheet depend on the role of that specific person in your group in the row you're in. If the person is a member, there should be a 1 next to their name in the member column and a 0 in the officer column if they're not an officer. On the flip side, if the person is an officer, there should be a 1 in the member column as well as in the officer column of the spreadsheet. However, if the people on your list are just contacts for your group, meaning you only want them on your newsletter list and they won't be classified as members or officers, just put a 0 in both the member and officer columns there. Feel free to add any other data to the relevant columns you want included in the spreadsheet, like any officer positions, member tags, titled Tags in the spreadsheet, subgroup tags, titled Opt-in tags in the spreadsheet, sign-up dates, and more. Since we're only using Binghamton email addresses, you don't necessarily need to put anything in the first and last name columns. Once the spreadsheet is uploaded to Be Engaged, the system will immediately recognize the person's email and pair it with the correct person's user account. Once you're done with all that, make sure you've saved the spreadsheet and head back into Be Engaged. Scroll down the Upload Members screen, and under Step 3, click the Choose File button and find the spreadsheet you just downloaded and edited from your computer files and click it, then click Open to upload it. Next, you'll click the Preview Upload button, and you should then see all the emails you've added to the spreadsheet populate in front of you in a chart. Click OK. And you'll see that chart. Once that's done and is accurate, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Upload. The emails will then begin uploading to the group, which shouldn't take more than a few minutes, depending on how many emails were in your list. After all the emails are done, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the upload list in front of you to make sure the same number of people were uploaded to Be Engaged as were in the Excel spreadsheet. You might just be on the same page though, like me. If everything is accurate, click the blue Go Back to Members button and view all your new members, officers, and/or contacts in your Be Engaged group.